At the time I loved the best, watching rainbows play on sunlight, pools of water, ice from cold night in the morning. This is the morning of my life. In the daytime I will meet you as before. You will find me waiting by the ocean floor, building castles in the shifting sands, in the world that no one understands. In the morning